In this video, I will show you how to fix the app was unable to play this video error on Telegram for Android. First, clear Telegram cache. Open Settings, go to Apps, then find Telegram from the list. Tap Storage and choose Clear Cache. You can also open Telegram, then go to Telegram in-app settings, then Data and Storage, then Storage Uses and tap Clear Entire Cache. If it still doesn't work, force stop the app. Go to Settings again, then Apps, and find Telegram from the list. Tap on it. Tap Force Stop, then reopen the app and try playing the video again. Another fix is to use an external video player. Download the video first, then tap the three dots on the video and select Open in or Share. Choose an app like VLC Media Player or MX Player to play it. You should also make sure Telegram is updated. Open the Google Play Store, search for Telegram and install any available updates. That's it. These steps should fix the video playback error on Telegram. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.